I've been lucky that, well, unlucky that I was born in the 80s. So this will be my third recession. I think I'll be facing. Like I was a carpenter when I left school. I did a 4-year apprenticeship, and then I worked as a carpenter for nearly 10 years. And then the recession came then, and it affected the building industry. It totally went. So overnight we went from making, like, we used to make good money as carpenters, as tradesmen, to making absolutely zero. We all lost our jobs. So that was very challenging. And then again, after that happened, I kind of dived into music, and now this has happened. And so music is the most affected thing. So I've kind of been laughing about it. So if I pick another career, avoid that career. But like things like that, and it affects your confidence as well. And like when you stop making money, or you just, you feel like a bit of a failure, you know, and it's not your fault, or, but it can really affect your mental health.